Hey guys, it's E here from Virginia Grace Living. Long time no see. I realize it's been a minute since I've made a video. It's not because I haven't really wanted to. It's just, I've been winter time and it's dark and cold, and finally, it seems like the weather's starting to turn around. Spring's in the air a little bit, and things are starting up again around here on the farm. So today we're actually going to go get some pigs. So last year we raised 2 Hereford pigs. And we really like doing those. If you haven't seen the video yet, go ahead and go back and check it out. The last video, actually, I think, is the homestead hog butchering video, where I went through our process for butchering the hogs. Actually, right here where I was standing, using this electric hoist right here, came in super handy. So, but today we're going to be picking up a Berkshire sow, a Yorkshire gilt, and a Hereford gilt from the same place that we got our Herefords last year. So the sow has been exposed to a boar, so she could be pregnant. We're not sure yet. Fingers crossed that she is. That would be great. That would be a major blessing. But either way, we're going to be all right, and we'll raise these out. We're going to keep the sow at least back and have her bred. We'll probably get a boar sometime in the next year or so that we can start breeding and keeping them here on our homestead, so I don't have to always try and figure out where they're at. But next thing you know, we'll be ready to get some pigs here, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So real quick, I want to show you guys, I don't have a livestock trailer, so I have to kind of get creative. Just show you something I kind of rigged up if you may be in the same situation as me and you have a trailer. If you don't have a trailer, I can't really help you there, but so I'm gonna show you real quick what I rigged up. I hope it'll work good. We'll see. Alright, so I have my 6x10 utility trailer. Just have a cattle panel here bent. That's Noah. And just got it zip tied, or not zip tied, I got it ratchet strapped down in a U pattern. So that way the sow can come in here and she'll be able to walk around and stuff. Didn't want to put her in a crate, but I got a crate for the smaller pigs, and that's bungee corded. So hopefully this works, and we're going to give it a try. So it looks like the contraption worked. It worked fine. Had to get her in here and do a little finagling. I didn't get that on video, but we got, so this is a Berkshire sow we have here. She's about 10 months old. And then 2 little gilts. This Yorkshire is itty bitty, and a Hereford gilt right here. So we'll raise these out, and then eventually we'll have a boar so that we can breed the Berkshire. So I'm considering potentially holding back the Hereford, but I don't know. We'll have to see. I liked having them last year a lot. They did really well. Now I'm going to have to back the trailer up and see if I can kind of cordon off the area to get the pigs in the barn, the little ones in the barn in a stall, and then I'm going to put the sow out and get her ready so she can go have her own little area outside. Alright, we got her backed into the barn here, so I might actually want to back up a little bit further so I'm not doing this. Alright, I didn't get that part on video because it was a little dicey, but we got her out here. I got the pig net up for now just for her to get used to it, and then once she tests it out a couple times, she should be fine with just this strand net here. Now, you want some food? We'll get you some food. She's got a pretty decent size area here for now, but she'll have a real big area later, but we'll be able to divide it out, and once we get our bore at some point, we'll have several areas for our piggies.
A bunch of bean sandwich.
So now we got them set up in different little spots to where they can have their own areas. The little pigs got out from here, so I just set up the pig net again for them. They like being outside, and set them up a spot, and so they seem to be doing good. They're just, the pink one's just so small, and it stays right with the Hereford. And their buddies, they sleep together and everything. Berkshire, or Berkeley's been doing good, which is what they named the Berkshire sow. But yeah, these two are getting along great, and they're seeming to be healthy. Well, that's about it, guys. I just wanted to kind of show you our new pigs that we got this year. So as you can see, Berkeley, that's what they named the Berkshire sow. She tore this little spot up just the one day that I had her in here. Pretty good. But I've given her a lot bigger area back this way behind me, and I've got the little ones in here for now. So they like to sleep in this little raised bed with some hay. But yeah, they like to snuggle up together. They're buds, and they keep each other warm. And the big one, the bigger red one, seems to protect the little one. She likes to stay right there next to her or behind her at all times. Berkeley seems super happy, and so we're looking forward to raising these pigs this year. Last year we did Herefords, and they went really well. So we have the one Hereford. I was hoping to get more, but the guy that I got them from last year didn't have good luck this year with the weather. Got super cold, and a lot of the piglets just didn't make it, unfortunately. So but we're trying out some new breeds. They're all fast growing heritage breeds: Yorkshire, Berkshire, and Herefords. And I'm hoping that Berkeley is pregnant. We'll see. If she is, we'll have more piglets that'll be here around June. If not, then it's all right. We'll keep her anyways, and we'll grow these two out, and they'll be fit for the freezer this coming fall and winter. But either way, guys, thanks for watching, and God bless.